super amped. We just got an email that came in about the founder of Travelocity and Kayak willing to have a conversation with me on the phone on Tuesday. Yes! So we're super thrilled about that. He's a Denison alumni. I'm also a Denison alumni, Denison University in Granville, Ohio. So I'm amped. You know, I'm amped to see what he thinks, amped to hear his advice and counsel and guidance. Thrilled to be able to just have the conversation with him about ADHERE gear and what we're trying to do. So this is exciting. This is a righteous day. This is a righteous day. This is actually the same day that we're gonna go get that car, and we haven't had a car for a very long time. So this is a great day. So I just wanted to get it on tape. You know, it's great just as is. You know, the ability to be able to have this kind of meeting. You know, it just shows, you know, it's been a year and a half working on ADHERE gear, just like plugging away at everything, you know, working on all the different parts of the business. You know, we're prepping for that Sand Innovation Lab, you know, beta testing down in San Diego Airport. You know, this is perfect timing to have this kind of conversation before something like that. You know, we got Portugal coming up. So this is really, really exciting. You know, this is great fuel for the fire. You know, to keep moving forward and to continue to develop the pod pack. So with that, we will give you guys an update later. I'm going to memorialize this video because this is what it's about. You work your ass off just for those quick, you know, few-minute phone calls. Those are the phone calls that can make all the difference in the future. So yeah, so we'll give you guys an update later.